You are the security analyst for a small corporate network. You know that a denial of service attack, DoS attack, can make a machine or network resource unavailable to the employees in your company. These types of DoS attacks are often done by flooding the network with TCP/SYN packets. To ensure that you are able to find and analyze a TCP/SYN flood attack, you have decided to use the Linux tool named HPING3 to simulate a SYN flood attack against your corp test server. We're diving into cybersecurity hands-on, analyzing a denial of service attack using Wireshark and HPING3. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to capture ICMP packets, filter SYN floods, and interpret TCP flags like a pro. First, open Wireshark and select your active interface. Here, it's ENP20. Hit the blue shark fin to start capturing packets. So from the favorites bar, select Wireshark. Under Capture, select ENP20. Then, select the blue fin to begin a Wireshark capture. This sets the stage for monitoring network traffic in real time. Next, we'll test connectivity by pinging our corp test server at 192.168.10.19. From the favorites bar, select terminal. Then at the prompt, type ping corp test or 192.168.10.19 and press enter. Notice the request and reply packets flowing. This confirms the host is reachable. In Wireshark, apply the filter ICMP in the lowercase to isolate ping traffic.
Now let's focus on SYN packets. Apply the filter by typing tcp.flags.syn==1. Then, in the terminal, launch a SYN flood using HPING3. To go about this, simply go to From the Terminal, type and press Enter to start a TCP/SYN flood against the corp test server. Watch Wireshark light up with a flood of SYN requests. This simulates a DoS attack.
select a packet with destination. Expand the Transmission Control Protocol section. Scroll down to Flags. Here you'll see the hex value, which indicates a SYN flag. This confirms the flood is composed entirely of SYN packets. Simply maximize the Wireshark window for better viewing. In the top pane of Wireshark, select one of the packets captured with the destination address of 192.168.10.19. In the middle pane of Wireshark, expand Transmission Control Protocol. Scroll down to Flags. Notice that the Flags item in this pane and the data in the info column in the top pane show that this, and all the packets, is a SYN packet. In the top right, select Questions. Answer the question. For the selected packet, what is the hex value for flags? Answer is 0x002.
Hit that subscribe button and join the community. Nicoya Prime Tech. We're diving deep into the world of packet analysis today.